question and answer where you can interface with, you can ask questions, you can ask anything you are not clear about. But before we to the question and answer session, I will want us to, in case you have any question or anything you want to ask at all, feel free to maybe raise up your hand and we'll tell you to unmute, or you can unmute yourself when we get to the part of Q&A. You can ask any question you want to ask at all. So let me just do a little presentation before we go to the Q&A session. So I'll be very fast with this. So this is me. My name is Olaolo Abamitale, aka FS Solution. If you've attended any of our webinar, you'll have seen this. So because of that, I won't dwell much on it. So I'm the managing director of OTE Traders. Don't worry, at the end of this, I'm going to show you who we are, the OTE Traders. And I have over 7 years experience in trading the global financial market. And I have 5 years experience in working with different brokers. So I've actually worked with like 3 different brokers. I'm a fund manager, algo trader, and MKF4 programmer. So how I started forex trading, I do say this story a lot. Like, I was a young guy selling insurance in the street of Lagos, Nigeria, and one of my boss in the insurance firm was the one that actually introduced me to forex trading, and the rest, as they say, is history. So I don't want to dwell much because I know some people are on break; they need to go back by 1 o'clock. So I just want to be very fast with it. So I don't listen to everyone. I listen to people with results, people that can show me what they've done for themselves. So I have my FS book, which I can show you. If you have watched any of events, I will have shown my FS book. Maybe I will still come back to that. So OTE Traders, the full meaning of OTE. Some people are, what's the meaning of OTE? OTE means Optimum Tick Expert Limited. We're a registered company. We register here in Nigeria with this registration number. You can vet it, you can verify it. We are not an investment company and we don't trade for people. We build AI powered trading system and we sell them. That's OTE EAs. We have a lot of EAs. We run copy trading account where client can plug in and play. And the big part of it is we have a training hub where we train people on how to make money from forex trading, not just how to trade the global financial market, how to make money from trading. We teach all financial literacies and passive income with that. So let me quickly run into what is OTE Copytrading and EA and OTE Academy. We have a particular bot. If you have been on our platform, you've been seeing or showing different results. So we have this bot we have 3 major bots that we push out there for people that people can actually trade for people. Why stressing yourself clicking buy and sell when you can make passive income? One thing I learned in this business is that a lot of people, if you ask them, why do you want to trade forex? They will tell you, because I want to make passive income. That's why I want to trade forex. And at the end of the day, they end up trying to make active income. Because the difference between passive income and active income is when your money actually works for you. And active income is when you work for the money. So you drawing lines, putting buy, sell, doing everything, you're actually working for the money. And at the end of the day, you end up getting your finger burnt. But why stressing yourself when you are not a full-time forex trader? You are just a part-time trader. You have your own business, you have your own work you do, you have different other things in which you do. So why stressing yourself, drawing lines, doing all those stuff when we have different AI that can actually make money for you and that can actually make passive income for you? So that brings us to the OTE card bot. This is our oldest bot. It has been running since 2023. This bot has been running. and it has never blown anyone's account. So you can make a return on investment between 5 to 10%. Let's say 5 to 7% on average. It makes around 5% on average. And with minimum capital of $200 or $150, you can enroll for this. And the EA is being sold for just $100. You can buy the EA for just $100. If you've watched some of our academy, some of our webinars, you'll have seen all these things. So I don't want to dwell much on it. Another one we have is OTE Scalper. I'm just doing this because of some people that are just joining us for the first time. They don't really know much about it. That's why I'm running through it. We still have a proper webinar tomorrow where you learn all these things in detail. So let me just do a quick run so that we can start the question and answer. So we have the OTE Scalper. You trade gold, you can make return on investment between 10 to 25%, and the minimum capital you need is just $500. That's what you need to have in your own trading account. And you can purchase this bot for $200. $200. With $200, you can purchase this bot. And I can show you some of the results of all these tools I'm showing you. Another one is we have OTE Premium. This like the top of our trading bot. OTE Premium can do 20 to 25% return on investment. You can actually do more than that. OTE Premium makes within a day between $15 to $30 every blessed day. That's what OTE Premium makes for you on $1,000. So minimum capital is $1,000. We have the FS book to show you, and to buy this bot is $300. And also, if you want to learn, which I encourage everyone to do, to learn how to make money from trading, not just how to draw lines, not just how to trade. You know, there is a difference between learning how to trade and learning how to make money from trading. Here in OTE Academy, we can actually teach you on how to. Someone is not muted. Just a moment, please. Okay. I think the person is muted. So here in OTE Academy, we don't just teach theories. We show you how to make money from forex trading. And our academy is not something you can easily come across. Because what I do tell people is, if somebody is teaching you something and it looks very interesting to you, it's something that you are, wow, this thing is interesting. It's interesting to everybody. I can bet you with you, that thing might not really work in the forest. Oh, I think I'm muted. Can you hear me? Okay. So you will learn how to code trading bots in our academy. We teach you on how to code trading bots, and we learn how to make money from forex trading, not just how to trade. Those are the things we are going to teach you. And you have access to tools at the end of the academy. You have access to our bot library. Let me show you our bot library. We have a trading bot library, and even the past student that just graduated, I will show you the bots they actually built. Let me show you the bot library. So this is our bot library. Let me show you. So you can see we have over 270 bots. You can have access to it, and most of them are editable. This was the bot we built in the last class that just graduated. You can see we designed this bot and it's doing very well. We designed these two bots as a project for our last student. So these are the things we are going to show you. We are going to show you how to build trading bot for yourself. And we show you the business side of forex trading. And nobody is teaching the business side of forex trading. Aside from the trading that majority of people are doing, there are more than 9 other businesses you can do from forex trading that people are not aware of. We show you how you can make money. Don't forget, that's the goal of this academy. Let me proceed. And you will become a fund manager, not just a trader. You become a fund manager at the end of our academy. You have one-on-one mentorship and certificate of completion. And the course is 6 weeks intensive training. We have both online and physical, but currently because most of our students, they want online because it is weekend and it is convenient, just weekend by 5 to 8 p.m. Saturday, Sunday. So a lot of people choose the weekend class. So we are running the weekend class currently, and it is flexible. You have access to recording. So all the recordings, we have a website where you can easily access all the recordings. Let me show you, whereby at the end of the training you have access to the recording. You can always watch the recording. All you have to do is you come to this site, you log in. So once you log in like this, you have access to all the classes. This was for the previous class, so you have access to the classes. We even added additional videos, whereby this one is not a class, additional videos that can actually help you. But this is the one for the class, where you can interactive session. So you can see first day, the second day, the third day, like that. You'll be able to talk to people, relate with people. So we just concluded this class. You can see people are giving a thumbs up, their responses. Do you get? The students are giving their responses. And also, if you want to know more about us, just go to your Google. You just type OTE Traders, OTE Traders in your Google. So you can open it. You see OTE Traders / OTE Academy. Review. Most of our students, you can see the review they've been given to us, like the student that just graduated. So I was even surprised seeing their reviews. OTE Academy has been a game changer for my trading journey. Highly recommended for both beginners and experienced. This one, you see, this is Mr. Tayo. You see, the training was well structured, started from the basic and building up to more advanced trading strategy and automation. What stood out most was the clear explanation of how automated trading bot works and hands-on experience. So different review from our client. You can see this one is another client. Here is my final bus stop because I started getting results I wanted. This is another one. OT is a great platform. So these are the results of our clients. Let me show you one of the recordings. We have a lot of recording. For example, let me play this. I don't know, maybe you can hear this to see what our students are actually saying, because they send their review to us, and you see what they are saying about the experience. Let me just play one
Hello
because
friends,
of time.
good morning. My name is Akodo. I've been a Forex trader for the past 5
Can you hear
years,
it?
but I've never come about any depth of knowledge like the school of automation.
It's not playing. Okay, since because I'm using the, just a moment, let me see. Because I want you to hear this. Let me see. Let me change the output of my audio. System. Maybe it's going to play. So let's try it again. If it doesn't play, then let me see.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Akodo. I've been a Forex trader for the past 5 years, but I've never come about
Maybe I will
any
send it to
depth
the
of
group
knowledge
to
like the school of
watch.
automation,
I'll just send it to you.
OTE Academy. If
Or
you
is
have
there a
not
way I
been
can
through the
play
system,
it?
you are missing. Because manual trading
Let me
cannot
just
get
send
you.
it. I don't want to waste our time, because some people need to get back to work. Just set things back. Okay. So we have a lot of reviews of our students, our clients, people that have done one thing or the other with us. You can see, in short, before registering the group, you see some reviews out there that will put on the landing page you came from. So we have a lot of review, and you can have access to the recording. Whether you miss any class, you are not there when we had the class, you can have access to this recording. And the next class will be starting October, 4th of October. That's when the next class will be starting. 4th of October. That's when the next class will be starting. As I told you, we have both physical and online, but we focus on online now because majority of our students want the online. And the fee for the academy to enroll for the OTE Academy is 250,000 naira. 250,000 naira is the fee. And to enroll, you can just go to this website and you can reach out to us. I know some people will say, 250,000 naira is expensive. How will I pay that? Number one, you can pay instrumental. You can pay 2 times, you can pay 3 times. And what you are going to get, you can't get it anywhere. I can tell you that with my full chest. You can't get our training. You can't get it anywhere. What we teach, we show you how to make money, not just how to draw lines and hope for the best. We show you how to make money. We show you the business side of forex trading that you can't get anywhere. We show you things that can make money for you. So to enroll for you can just go to OTE Academy online/course. So if you get there, you can enroll here. You just click on enroll. If you want to pay in Naira, you can pay in Naira here. You just enroll, upload or proof of payment here. And if you want to pay in crypto, you can pay in crypto. So this is where to make payment. So I believe all these things, if you attend our webinar very well, you'll have seen a lot of this, even with some testimonials and so on and so forth. So let me see what else. And we have a physical office where you can always walk into. If you just type OTE Traders, you can even direct it to our office. Just click on direction. Our number is there. You can call. Just put it there. We have a website you can access. We have a beautiful website that you can view. You can see traders.com. You can see more. You can know more about us. You can go to our services. You want to know about Copytrading, our trading bot. You want to know more, you can see them here. You can even do your transaction here. Just that our trading bot is expensive. Here, for example, the OT scalper is 200, as I told you, but here we put it 300. So we subsidize it for the people that actually attended our webinar like this. We also have a free bot here, which you can also try out. So this is our address, Oluwalogbo Motors Ikeja, Obafemi Awolowo Way, Alausa Ikeja. We are in the heart of Lagos, Nigeria, where you can meet with us. So now let me open the floor. If you have anything to ask, anything that have been bothering your mind, feel free to ask your question while we answer your question. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? What happened? No, I'm not. Can you hear me? Is it freeze? Hello?
Hello,
Can you
can you
hear
hear
me?
me?
Okay, you can
Okay,
hear
you
me
can
now.
hear me.
Sorry, it's our
Sorry, it's
network
our
in
network in
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
So
So
that's it.
that's it.
If you have any
If you have
question,
any
feel free
question, feel free
to raise up
to
your
raise
hand.
up
We will
your hand.
mute
We
you
will
and
mute you and
you can ask your
ask your
question.
question.
Or you can send message. You can send message as well. If you have anything to ask, this is a Q&A session. Mr. Yusuf, Mr. Wells, I think I'm seeing Mr. Richard. So feel free to ask. If you have any question for us, feel free to ask. Okay, I think Mr. Wells is asking about my question. Do I need VPS before I use your bot? Yes, you need a VPS for you to use our bot. You need a VPS, and you can subscribe to our VPS. We have the one for $25, which is for 3 months. We have for 6 months, which is $50, and we have for a year plan, which is $85. That is subscription for our bot. So I think somebody is trying to raise up his hand. Do you have anybody that wants to ask anything? Okay, Mr. Yusuf. So Yusuf is saying, is the bot automatically place the trade or you will be there to... Okay, our bot will place trade automatically. You don't need to do anything yourself. Place the trade, close it, manage everything. All you just have to do is to check how much you make per day. That's all you just have to be doing from your hand. So our bot will place the trade for you. We do everything for you once it is installed. So you have nothing to worry about. It is fully automated. I want to learn how to code trading bot as well. We can teach you on how to do that. Okay, how is the bot installed, by you or by me? We install the bot for you. Yeah, we install the bot for you. We don't give the file out. We are not giving the file out to you. We install everything for you from our own end. I want the file yourself. That's another fee entirely different from this. Do you have anybody that wants to say anything? Okay, I would like to attend the academy, but the money joke. Okay. I understand. I understand the fee for the academy. I understand it. But one thing I have to tell you is this. It's worth more than... I wish you can hear from the people that have attended. Okay, let me just see if I can. Let me play just that the audio. I will just play the audio. I'll just play the audio for you so you can hear from some of the people that have attended our academy. Just a moment. Let me play the audio for you because I can't share because of this call. Is it can't play audio. Let me put. Let me just play someone. Maybe you can hear it. This is one of our students. Let me see.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. My name is Mboni Chamaka, and I would like to use this medium to say a very big thank you to the entire team of OTE Academy, and specifically to Mr. Olaolu Abamitale. It's been a very huge opportunity coming in contact with you. I mean, in fact, I've never regretted. And me paying for this training, sincerely, I never regretted. Because if you had to ask me, I would have said, even if they requested for more money for the training, I think it really worth it because the program was, in fact, I've never seen a kind of training that that the person who is anchoring it went as far as bringing out a lot of secrets when it comes to forex trading. How I wish I'd met Mr. Olau far back. I would have but well, let me say we make mistakes just to keep moving anyway.
So that's just it. Do you get what we are going to show you? You can't get it anywhere. You can't. What we are going to train you in the academy, you can't get it anywhere. Is it the business side of forex trading? Is it the coding of bots? The coding of bot, you don't need coding experience. You don't need to know how to code, the prior knowledge of coding. We break it down how you can code trading bots. We teach you everything without prior knowledge of coding experience, and how to optimize bot, how to backtest, how to be a fund manager yourself. Do you get? So those are the things we are going to show you in our academy. It's worth more than the money. It's worth more than the money. So it's the money is the issue. I just want to tell you that one is not a problem. You can just start from what you have. You can pay what you have first and make the decision that you are going to attend this. You can look for the money and you can pay like 2 times for you to achieve the goal. I can bet you with you at the end of our academy, you can't say you don't know how to trade. You definitely know how to trade at the end of our academy. You will know how to trade. So yeah, someone is want to talk. Can you unmute yourself, sir? The person is not no name. Just raise up his hand. Yeah, fellow Gister is not the name is. Yeah, you can talk, please.
Hello,
You
good
can
afternoon.
unmute yourself and talk. If you want to ask anything, just feel free to unmute yourself and talk. Okay, do you have board that work with Profem? Yes, yes, you have board that work
Hello,
with
good
Profem.
afternoon.
We have board that work with Profem. Oh, someone is talking. Sorry, what's going on? Just okay. Yes, I can hear you now. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. 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 Are you there? Okay. Is that the only question you have? Okay. 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 Let me answer that. It's very simple. The last person that asked me this, the question I asked the person is that, why do you want to learn forex trading? And I believe the reason why you want to learn forex trading is because you want a passive income for yourself. You want to diversify. You want to diversify your portfolio. You want to make money here, money there. So that is why some of us are actually doing this. Do you get? Right now, I'm trading. I'm making money from trading. I have an academy, which people will definitely enroll for academy and pay for it. I'm selling trading bots. So I'm making money here, there. I don't know, maybe you get it. It's creating multiple stream of income for myself. So that's the purpose of this. And if you look, there is no body trading forex that you can see out there that you are looking up to that's not doing the business side. And that is the business side of forex trading. You can't be rich without the business side of forex trading. If it's only the forex you are doing, you might not get to that financial freedom you are looking for. Even when I'm not trading, when I decide not to trade, people will definitely buy bots. in dollars, I'll make money. Even though I lose $100 in trading, somebody will buy trading bots that will make money. Do you get it? If I make money here, if somebody is not buying trading bots, somebody will enroll for academy. So it's just a means of diversifying, making money here, making money there, and that is why most of us do this. I believe I'm able to answer your question. Regarding some people, a lot of people are actually opening academy out there. There's a lot of academy. And majority of them, what they will teach you are just a general. Even some people without knowledge of forex trading, they see open academy, and what they are going to teach you is just the general forex trading. But what we are teaching you, we are going to teach you the general forex trading, and aside from that, we teach you the business side of forex trading. We teach you on how to code trading bots. Let me show you something. Where is it? Okay, it seems one of our students is here. Let me see. Mr. Akonwo, are you there? Can you share your experience? Roseford, are you there, sir? Mr. Akonwo, if you can hear me, can you unmute yourself and just share your experience? Okay, maybe he's busy. So let me just show you our academy. So you can see when we started, our academy is divided into different parts. The first part is whereby we show you the general thing, like all the things that are not working in the forex market that they teach you. Let me share my screen so that you can see what I'm showing you. Okay. Yes, I've seen his message. I believe you can see my screen. Okay, Mr. Akonwo responded that he's at work, can't talk here. Okay. So let me show you our academy, the way it is being designed. So it's divided into three parts. The first part is we teach you all the general things that every academy will teach you. Things that are not working, we will teach you that. And we tell you that all these things that are not working. So you can see, we start from forex trading, unlocking, chart trading, technical mastery, fundamental news, risk strategy. Then after this part, we jump into this other part, which is the business part of this particular course alone, worth more than $50. I think there is noise in the background. Can you guys help me to check the person that is not muted? Okay, I think I've gotten the noise in the background. Okay, so these are the things that are not working. We show you that they are just the basic. Then after that, we show you the business side of forex trading. And in this, there are some secret I reveal in this industry that you can't get it anywhere. You know the difference between me and the guy that just opened academy. I've been working with brokers for 5 years. So when people place buy and sell, I can see it from the back end. There are so many things people out there they don't have the experience. They can't tell you how it is. So I have the front end experience, which is normal trading, and I have the back end experience, which is the broker, the people you deal with. So I can tell you this broker is good, this broker is not good. So the experience, I've dealt with more than 10,000 traders, and I can tell you majority of them, 95% of them are losing money. So a lot of people, even the influencers that you are seeing, there's a lot of secret that if you attend our academy, I will reveal to you. So most of the money you are seeing or they are making this is not from the forex trading. Few people are making money from the forex trading. And those few people, there's something they are doing that the 95% of people are not doing. So you now see from this class, after the business side, then we now start teaching you the automation, backtesting. Do you get? We start the coding, and this was the last class whereby we code a bot, a live and direct bot, which I showed you. The bot we coded in the class, and the people in the class can also testify to the bot we coded. You can see, and our training, you have access to this. We are just joining us. You have access to more than 270 trading bots that you can work with. At the end of our training, you will be equipped. You can become a fund manager. You can be selling trading bots at the end of our academy, because we show you the business side, what you should do. You can be independent trader. Do you understand? So those are the things we give to you. It's not all these things, you can't get it. It's not something you can come across. You can't get it out there. So I believe I'm able to answer your question. Do you have anyone that wants to ask? Okay, somebody drop a question for me here. Let me check this. Okay, it's the same Mr. David. Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Mm, yes, yes. Okay, 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 okay. Let me say this. We are not the one that said we don't want physical class. We are not the one that said we don't want. We want physical class. In our office, we have all. We can train people. If you're up to 50, we can train you. More than 100, we have all to train people in our office here. But the issue is the last set we trained, at first, like few of them show interest in physical class, which we agree is not an issue for us. But at the end of the day, a week to the class, to the commencement of the lecture, because it's a week, it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's for the physical class. And for 2 hours, that's 11 to 1 o'clock. So all of them just change that they want the online class because of work. So the only person that said one physical is just one person, and because of one person, you can't be having physical class. So if you have people that want to attend physical class, you are welcome. We even enjoy the physical class. It doesn't cost us data and all those stuff. Do you get? So if you want a physical class, you can attend a physical class with us. But a physical class is 300,000 naira, not 250,000. So you can definitely attend our physical class. It's not an issue. Y- Yes, the online class. I wish I can play one of the class. It's very interactive. The same way you are talking to me, the same way you are saying me. This is the platform we use for our online class. So where I share my screen, we interact, we talk. The way you are communicating to me, without seeing me, we are communicating. This is the same way our physical class usually is. You can communicate, you can relate with us, you can talk to us, you can show us things. If care is not, you can share your screen. It's just a button to share your screen with us. Just share your screen, what you're challenging, we assist you. That's it. Yes, you can. You can. Not the bot you want to sell. Although the bot you are selling to, we can't give the bot you want to sell or we are selling, we can't give that to you in the but the bot you are selling to are in our bot library, but we won't tell you this is the bot you are selling. That's a puzzle. It's not for you. It's not for you to go and sort out the puzzle. So we have more than 200 and something bots there. So you can even get different bots. You can get different bots that is not the one we are selling. You can get it here for yourself. Do you get? And you can see most of them they are editable. They are editable formats. Do you guys can see editable formats that you can edit it. You can change the name. You can sell it. You can do whatsoever with it. Do you understand? And after the class, if you want to buy our training board, we give you discounts. if you want to buy our own trading bot, you don't have the time to go through all this stress of backtesting because we show you everything you need to know. But if you don't want to go through the stress, I will give you discount to buy our own trading bot. I'm with you. Is this something else? Hmm. Yes, I get it. Let me. I'm telling you this. Okay. No, no, no. Let me say this. In our academy, at the end of our academy, I can say this with my full chest. Like at the end of our academy, you will know how to make money from forex trading. Except you decided not to. You will know how to make money from forex trading. Do you get? Because everything you need will spoon feed you. Everything you need to be successful. This is like a bus stop. Do you get? For example, somebody that gave the review, where is the review? That said this is like the bus stop. I can tell you for free, this is your bus stop. This is the last bus stop for if you attend our academy. This is your last bus stop. I can tell you that for free. This is your last bus stop. It's not mouth. Do you get it? See, here is my final bus stop because I've started getting the result I wanted, and that is my joy. That is my joy. It's not to collect money from people. If I want to collect money from people, I could have made the academy like 100,000, 50,000, just gather people, collect money from them, and move. But no, I only want serious-minded people in the academy, people that want to make money from forex trading. So, and I can tell you, at the end of our academy, you can read my lips. Isn't it, David? Yeah, hello, sir. Yeah, we can hear you, sir. Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Okay, 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 okay. Meet yourself. Okay, okay, are you there, sir? Okay, yeah, Okay. Okay, sir. Actually, your network is breaking. If you can hear me, but I have gotten the summary of everything you are trying to explain. Can you hear me, sir? I think it's network. Are you there, sir? Check the website. The OTE course and go. Yeah, you see to pay. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes. I've gotten your points. I've gotten your point. So let me explain to you. If somebody's strategy is that good, why are they putting it out for people to get in the signal? Why can't they convert it into a trading port that will pick the signal by itself and place it buy and sell? Do you get? If the signal is very good, they are sure that the signal is good. Why can't they convert that signal into a bot that will place the buy and sell? Do you get? So it's because they are not sure of the signal. That's why they can't convert it to a bot. For them to design a website that people can get signal, they can go to that length. Definitely, they can go to the length of converting everything into a trading bot that can place buy automatically. That time will not need to go and check signal. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Do you get? So that's let me tell you, one of the things I taught my students is that there's a lot of scam in this business. A lot of scam. Well, you think that what looks appealing to you definitely look appealing to practically everyone. Do you get that particular thing that look appealing to you? Like this thing is making sense. This person looks appealing to, and what is looking appealing to everyone might not be working in forex trading, because 95% of people that trade forex lose money. Let me tell you why people lose money. From my experience, from my 5 years experience working with a broker, and this is my findings. So why people lose money in forex trading is very simple, and I'll break it down for you. That particular strategy, number one, it boils down to strategy. Everything boils down to strategy. And that strategy you are using, a lot of people, I can bet it with you, that where they got their strategy from can be maybe from YouTube, from a friend saying, this is the strategy I'm using, or from a forex mentor, so-called mentor. Do you get? I use top-down analysis. I use price action. I use demand and supply. I use this. There is no proof that those strategies are actually working, because you can't backtest them. You can't backtest the strategy. You can't know if the strategy is working or is not working. There is no proof. You can't backtest it. So most of these strategies flying here and there, they are not profitable. I call trading bots. If you break out that your strategy that you think is really great, is making money. If I code that strategy into a bot for you, and we run the back test now, you will see that it's not making money. That was one of the training I did a long time ago. I think 2 months ago, whereby we got a particular popular strategy and we back tested it. I coded it and we back tested it. We actually made money for 2 months. At the end of the day, end up blowing the account. And that is what happened to most of the strategies you are using out there. Because the strategy made you $1,000 today, or this week, or this month, does not mean the strategy is good. But you get carried away because the strategy is making you money now. Yeah, this strategy is good. And anytime you lose money, you say, oh, I didn't put stop loss. Oh, I slept off. Oh, I didn't do this. Oh, I didn't do that. You keep giving yourself excuses. And that's why a lot of people gotten their finger burnt in forex trading. The strategy that is making money in forex trading It's very rare. It's not something you can trade with hand. Forget all the TikTok influencer and all that. If you come to my academy, I will show you the secret behind it. Forget somebody that will do a video live session, plays by one big lot size on the account, and maybe the account will blow. You say we go again. Most of those money are not money. You can't understand. You can't understand. You can't comprehend it. Do you get? There's so much scam when it comes to forex trading. A lot of scam are inside this business with you. There are a lot of scam in it, and those are the things we are going to reveal to you. We are going to show you those scams so that you won't fall victim. But one thing I can show you, I can tell you for free with my full share is that at the end of our academy, you will become a profitable trader. Do you get? I have so many things that I feel like showing you, but I'm just being security conscious. Do you get? Because I don't know who is who here. So I have so many things that I can show you. I have so many things proof that I can show you, proof that I can show you. Okay, let's start from here. Let's start from this is my mql5.com. I actually provide I put some of my accounts here. Oh, am I not logging? Just a moment. I don't know why I got logged out here. Let me just show you some things. Or where can I get it? Okay, let's see. Let me show you some signals. This is another place you can make money. Do you get? This is another place you can make money from forex trading. So this is our OTE card bot is here. This is our OTE premium here. This is our OTE scalper. Do you get that? Most people cannot show you this kind of return on, like they can't show you. This is even small. Let me go to my FS book. So I've coded a lot of trading boards. I have a lot of tools that I work with, a lot of things that can show you. I have results to show. It's not just mouth. It's not MT4 screenshots. Most of these guys will show you MT4. This is what I mean. I won't show you MT4. I will show you the audited result. These are some of the tools. These are some of the trading bots I've coded. This is the class. We did this in the class. So you can see we have so many solutions. And you can see their gains, their return on investment. So I have results to show you. It's not just telling you with mouth that this is what is working. I know what is working in this business. I know what is working. So I believe I'm able to answer your question. You're on the safe hand. If you're tired of losing money in forex trading, this is your last bus stop. I'm saying that with full confidence. If you attend our academy, you will know how to make money from forex trading. You will know it. Because all secret will be revealed to you. Somebody wants to talk. Feel free, unmute yourself, sir, and talk. Mr. David, right? Okay, sir. Okay. You're welcome, sir. Nice question. If you check our Telegram group, the people that attended our academy will understand what I do. I'm not a fan of signal, and I don't like giving signal. But this is what can you hear me? You join our Telegram. Can you please let me to mute him? I say you guys should mute him. Okay, so people that attended our academy they understand what we do. So I have a particular account that I'm trading, like my bot. I don't have time to replace him buy and sell. So I have a particular account that one of my bots is trading. Do you get? And people do reach out to me that I want signal, I want signal. So what I do is that I just pick one of the bots. I design another bot that will look into my own trade, my own account, and pick if I place, because it's pending orders, we look into my account when the bot place pending order on my account and post it on Telegram. All these things are not posted by myself. Aside from all the regular thing, like I mean signals, all these trade responsibility is a bot that is posting it on my behalf. And those are the things we can show you how to set up this kind of thing in our academy. How to set up Telegram bots, we can show you in our academy. It's one of the things we are doing. Like this group now, we created it on one of our academy, and we just to show people to uh, how to create a Telegram bot that will be looking into your trade and post signals for you. That's what we use this particular one for. Do you get? So those are the things you will learn. I don't give signal. I don't have time to start giving signal, but I have bots that can place trade and can play signal by 2:30 now. You see the bot will place trade. We are still on this meeting. You see the trade will be, the trade call will drop here. If you hit stop loss, we see it. You stay profit, you see it there. So I don't give signal myself. I don't do that. Yes, I can hear you. Okay. 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 If okay. What you do, my advice for you is to join the academy. Forget about the boss. Join the academy. If you join the academy with the amount you have with you, see, there is a saying that one of my uncle, there was an adage one of my uncle told me. He said, if a man is good in giving good sermon, or good in writing, or good in making sculptures, like those people that make sculpture work, they said if the man live in the bush, on the mountain in the bush, the world will be the path to the bush to go and meet him. So what am I saying? If you have the knowledge, you acquire the knowledge, you are good in what you do, the money to trade will come. The money to trade will come. Do you get? So the knowledge is the key. As I want you to buy the bot, I want you to acquire the knowledge as well. If you can do the two, it's fine. But since you can't do the two, I prefer the training compared to the bot first. At this point, you acquire the knowledge. Then, if you have money, if you want to buy the bot, you can buy. For the people that does, some people they don't really have the time to learn. They are not even interested in learning. They just want a quick fix. They want something to make them money instantly. Yeah, people like that can just jump into our bot and buy the bot. Do you get? So that's it. The academy is 6 weeks. 6 weeks. 6 weeks. Don't worry. No, 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 no. You will learn everything you need in that 6 weeks. In short, I can show you within 3 days. I can show you how to make money from forex trading. In 3 days, I can teach you to make money from forex trading. Just that you'll be making money. They ask you what is the candlestick. You'll not be able to tell people. They can ask you what is trend line, what is support and resistance. You are making money, but you might not be able to say what is resistance. You might not be able to say some terms. So you won't be able to mingle with traders. Do you get? You just be making money for yourself. In 3 days, I can do that for you. But that's why I make it 6 weeks, so that within 6 weeks, all the jargons of forex trading, I'll first show you that okay, these are the things that are not working. But I just want you to know it. Then after we've done all those jargons, then we now come to things that are working, things that can make you money. I will still want to. I will still want you. I will still want you to attend. I will still want you to attend our. Do you get? So I want. We still want you. I can you hear me? I can't guarantee you if you pay for the academy, you make it in 2 weeks. But I can tell you at the end of the 6 weeks, you can make the money back. At the end of the 6 weeks, you can make the money. You definitely make the money back. Because even though you don't have money, there's so many things that people are not aware of. You just have to. If you don't have money, should I say this? If you don't have money, at the end of the academy, you can get one of the bots that will have shown you how to backtest bots. You can be selling trading bots. You put it on a demo account. People will not know it's a demo account. You show them a result, create a group, show people how to code, how to build, collect money. So there's so many things I'm going to reveal to you. Don't let me come. Don't let me do that. Don't let us do that here. Don't let us do that here. I'm the managing director. I'm the managing director. Because of you want to know my home address because of 250,000 naira. That's why we have office. That's why we have office. We are present. Type OTE Academy, OTE Traders on Google. It will direct you to our office. You get this is it. You can put it on Google, OTE Traders. It will direct you to our office. This is our office here. We are not running away. Our office is we have a physical presence that people can relate with us in the office. So how many people do you see? Well, I'm in the office. I'm doing this meeting in our office. We have staff. We have people working here with me in the office. It's a real physical office where people can come in. And we open between 9 to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. I can tell you for free. And again, if you join the academy, you will say, let me see, maybe I can. There was a man that was asking this kind of question when in our before one of our events, and he later joined the academy. Let me see if I can play his. Let me see. Maybe you can. If I can hear me, just hold on. Let me see if you can hear this.
I've been a forex trader for the past 5 years, but I've never come about any depth of knowledge like this school of automation, OTE Academy. If you have not been through the system, you have missed it.
He has been
Because
trading for
human
5
training
years.
cannot get you there. I can assure you, once you go through the school of automation, you will never remain the same. My take is these are come to be the major game changer in the forex industry. The way to go for profitability is automation.
It's automation. Is the way to go. Most people are not aware of it. Enough of blowing your account. Enough of blowing your account. Even using trading board does not mean you can't lose money. But I do tell people like using trading board to trade, going into automation is just as if two people jump out of a plane. One using parachute, the other one just jumping on top. Do you get the one that is two of them have chances of not surviving? Do you agree with me? But the one of using parachute has a greater chance of survival. That doesn't mean that one too might not survive. Do you get that one? Something might happen that won't survive, but it has a greater chance of survival compared to somebody that just jumped. So that's just it. That's the power of automation. So that's it. I believe I'm able to answer everybody's question. If you have any other one, you can. We definitely reach out to you once we make payments. You can even make payment. You can make payment online. We have you can make payment online and just upload or proof of payment here. You can see. You can go to OTE Academy. Just put slash course OTE Academy slash course. You see this place. So you can enroll. So once you make payments, we'll definitely reach out to you. We add you to a group. We add you to a Telegram group with other people that have made payments. That's all. So by the time when the class will be starting, we send a link to join the class and all that. We communicate to everyone on the group. We keep communicating. And like one thing I keep telling you, at the end of the academy, you know how to make money from trading. That one, I'm sure of that. You know how to make money. You know how to you will be profitable. Yeah. You know how to make money from forex trading. If you make money from forex trading, you are profitable now. If you are not profitable, you can't make money from forex trading. Jesus, Jesus Christ. You know, you know something. They say, by their fruit you shall know. I be how the Bible says it. By their fruit you shall know them. Do you get? They won't show you the result. They will show you mental to their full results. They can't show you the money they've made. How many of them has what do you call has FS book has this? See, most of the anybody that is talking to you about forex trader, do you know how you can send them away? Just ask for show me your FS book. They can send you investor password. Say no, show me your FS book results. They will not talk to you again because they don't have. They can't show you. They don't have it. They don't have it. They don't have it to show you. This is one of our, this is the OT scalp, I think. When this one stop updating around this date because we make more than this amount. That no, is for now, definitely the way the thing is going because we're having a lot of people. A time will come which I'm suggesting, although my team is saying we should wait till next year. Instead of buying the bot for this amount I'm calling now, you will be subscribing maybe for 6 months and for 3 months. Because people are making money. I have people making a lot of money from this. People are making a lot of money. There is a client that made, if you go to the link you use to register, the landing page where you go to, you see some reviews there. There was a guy that bought the bot for 200 in less than, it's not up to 2 months. He started in August. Between August and date, this man has made about almost $600 or 1,000. And he bought the ball for 200. It doesn't pay me. Do you get? If I put him on copy trading and charge 30%, I will have made more than I will have made the $200 from me, and I'll keep on making the something. So because of that, we've changed it to subscription. But people that have gotten it, they've gotten it. They've gotten it. But the new people that will buy the bot, they'll be subscribing maybe for 3 months, for 6 months. So that's our projection. Maybe next year, yeah. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Yes, I understand. I understand you. But no, number one, because we're a company, we can't trade for people. I can't trade your money for you. Is even right now, people from SEC. For me to trade for people, I need to register with SEC. Do you get? So I can't trade for people. The best I can do is to create a copy trading account and people can copy my trade. So wish we have that also. So I'm trading my own account. You can copy my trade. You can also reach out to us. You can show how you can do that to copy our trade. Okay, or your account manager, you have an account manager, the person that have been reaching interfacing with you, we just reach out to him, he will guide you through. Yeah. So any other question? Do you have any other person before we call it a day? Mr. World, do you still have any other thing to ask? Mr. Yusuf, Mr. Richard, any other question before we call it a day? So in the absence of no other question, we'll call it a day. Thank you so much for your time. And if you have any other question, the group will be open till 3 o'clock. You can still drop it there on the group. So if you have anything to say, just drop it. So thank you so much once again. Bye for now. You can exit the group. Bye. You can exit the chat rather or the live session.